$60,000. And yet somehow, the market is yawning. This is crypto in 30 seconds. Bitcoin stalled under 60,000 as a surging dollar, and Strategy's potential Bitcoin sale spooked traders. Ether, Solana, and dogecoin followed. So, buy the dip or watch from the sidelines. That's today's number. Try not to lose money before then.